Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to play with the image in AutoCAD. There is too many ways, so we will go step by step. Let's go from the basic way. You type just image in the command bar, image. So you will have this image and image attached. So either you can go image, you will see this bar, external references bar, actually window. Here in this corner you will go attach image, or you can go directly image and attach, image attach. So let's go to the, so let's select one image. I see, select this one. This is all image files are here available, so let's open. So you can specify on screen, or else you can direct, if you remove it will attach to in this point. If you just remove specify screen, so I will keep it as it is. Okay, now I am click somewhere and the image will come. So if you click this image and right click, and if you see here, you have image here, adjust, clip, transparency, external references. So if you go adjust, you can adjust the image brightness. You can see the changes here, and fade everything. And also in the same time, if you select this and go to the image and transparency, click. So you have to make this on off, or let's make on, but it will not work here. Why? Because this is not a PNG. So if you want to make transparent background, you should import the image with transparent, so it will work. I will show you that one also. And go to the image, and there's too many things. Just click and check what will happen. So I don't want to waste too much time, so there is a new boundary. Just click and see, you can cut it, the clip. And if you want the particular one thing only full image, from the full image you need only one place. Also you can do like that, so many things. Right click, image, clips. So let's say I need only this area, so let's go like this, new boundary. Do you yes, delete old boundary? Yes, I want to delete. And then new boundary. Okay, so you can go again, image, clip, off, it will come back to the same. So this is import image. Let's say you found something here in the Google and you don't want to save this one, just you need the image in the AutoCAD. And keep remember, if you attach image, if you import image in the way I told you before, if you go xref, like xr, enter, it will show here, it will come here. If you delete this one, delete means detach, it will go. So the problem importing image like this, when you are giving the AutoCAD file to someone, you have to give the image file also, you have to include the image file with it. Otherwise what will happen, this one will be like a blank. Let me show you something. This is the image I have mentioned there. Let's rename it. Let's rename to something 00. Okay. Okay, so already AutoCAD open. Let's save this one. File, save as, desktop. I will save as a drawing one. Save. So let's close this one. this. Now I will rename, try again, let's rename to already. Now I will go to AutoCAD, open the same file. You will see nothing here. But if you go to the XR and enter, but still showing with the error, you can see this yellow button. So I don't prefer this one. I prefer something like just type shift press in your anywhere, you just open the image and shift window key, shift S, window key, shift S, it will open the snapping tool. So you select, example, I want to select this one, I will click this one, okay. Then go to the AutoCAD, just Control V. So it will come here. But this will not attach as an image, you will not see anything here. Either I save, it will be there. So no need to give a separate image file while you are giving your file to someone else. So this one, if you right click, you will see this one came as OL image. So you can open, it's all, cannot live, okay, no problem. This one you can cannot open because I directly insert, but there is one option, insert OLE. If you go insert, there is a command here, OLE objects, this one. So here there is some OLE, there is some file format are here already. So one of this format is paintbrush picture. So if you make OK, paintbrush picture, it will open here, and you can draw whatever you want here, or you can either paste the image also, no problem. What you copy here. So let's I think no need to save. Let's close. So it's here already. So this one you click same OLE. This one I directly paste same OLE. But this one cannot open, error, but this one can open, and you can edit that one also, you can edit here. So I saw one command here, this convert, so let's convert. So convert to paintbrush picture, which is I directly took a snapshot and paste. So okay, then let's try to open. So it's opening. So easy way, no need to go early object and you paste there and do too many drama. So you can just go here. Okay, let's say I need this image, so just Windows Shift S, then take this snapshot. Okay, let's go to here and Control V. So you need to convert. If you want to convert, just OLE convert. So I will close this one. Right click, OLE, convert. You can convert from here. So I saw face insert image. I prefer not to use that one. If you make insert image, you have to, when you are transferring, giving your file to someone, and you have to give the file also, image file separately. But if you import as OLE object, no need to you will not have to give a separate image file because it will be combine itself in AutoCAD, and also you don't need to have to go to OLE object, insert OLE object with too many. You don't have to work on too many steps. Just as I said, use Windows Shift S and take a snapshot and paste it.